Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can safely sell your USDT on Bybit. Okay, see, let me be sincere with you. If you don't follow the right path on selling your USDT or any other crypto on Bybit, it's possible for you to be scammed because there are a whole lot of guys out there that are scamming people even on Bybit. Okay, so you have to do your due diligence in order for you to do this transaction safely. Okay, so without much ado, let's get started in this video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is this. If you have your USDT, as you can see here, let me go to my wallet here and show you. You can see I have my USDT in my funding wallet. Please make sure the USDT is in your funding wallet here. Okay, so I'm going to be selling this 45 USDT and the money is going to be credited directly into my bank account. Okay, now I'm making this video from Nigeria, but wherever you are in the world is the same process that I'm going to be showing you here that you can apply and use anywhere in the world. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is this. If you look at this interface up here, you're going to see where it says P2P trading here. Okay, just go ahead and click on this P2P trading. Okay, now if you click on this P2P trading, it's going to bring you to this interface. Right now, when it brings you to this interface here, we are going to be selling our own USDT. So presently it's on buy. You can see buy here. So all those people, these are people that if you want to buy USDT, you can buy from them. Okay, but because we want to sell our own USDT to get cash, okay, to get Naira, we're going to sell, click on sell button here. Okay, so when you click on sell button here, it's going to bring us to this interface. Okay, so you can see all these people you are seeing here, all those ones, they are willing to buy your USDT and pay you cash into your bank accounts in the country that you are. Remember, like I rightly said, I'm doing this from Nigeria, so I'm going to be using Nigeria bank account. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is this. Let's assume like personally I'm selling 45 USDT. Okay, so I'm going to put in, let me just say 50,000 here. This is not really necessary, but just to help you streamline your search for who is really good for selling your USDT to. That's what we're going to be using this, but you don't necessarily use to use it. So here I'm going to put in 50,000 naira. Now the reason why I'm putting 50,000 naira is this, because I know definitely my USDT is going to be worth more than 50,000 naira. Okay, so I'm just trying to streamline my search down. Okay, then I'm going to click on confirm here. Okay, so after you click on confirm here, you can see the search has been streamlined down here. Okay, now but if you check under here, you can see different kinds of payment method. You can see word remit, you can see Banque National, you can see all kinds of different payment method, the OCBC bank. We are going to be choosing just a bank account. Okay, because we are not using word remit and every other thing. So you're going to click on this where it says all payment method here. Okay, now we click on this all payment method here. Let me click on it here. You can see different kinds of payment method here, but what we're going to be paying attention to is bank account. Okay, now we click on this bank account. If you put it on this bank account, it means that you'll be able to receive your payment into bank account in Nigeria. Okay, so we're going to click on confirm here. Okay, we're going to click on confirm here, right? So now you can see the whole thing is getting streamlined now. Okay, you can see here, so you can see the price of USDT for today from 1,152. You can see 1,152.15. So as you are going down, the prices will be reducing. Okay, as you are going down, to streamline going down, the prices will be reduced. You can see here now it's 1,1649. Okay, now there are some other things I want you to pay attention to before you sell your USDT. Okay, one, you have to pay attention to the number of orders this person, okay, whoever is going to be selling to, has performed. Okay, ordinarily I want you to make sure that the person has performed at least 1,000 orders. Okay, remember, we are not just trying to sell, we are just trying to make sure that we sell to the right person and we sell very safely so that we don't get scammed. Okay, if you go on Twitter, you hear a lot of people saying don't use Bybit, there's a whole lot of scam there, but it's because they don't follow the right process. So make sure you follow the process I'm showing you. Now you can see this guy have sold more than 1,000. He has sold 1,975. Okay, you can see this one 982. For me personally, I will not sell to this guy. I'll make sure it is more than 1,000. Okay, that is one of the things you should look at. Okay, Then secondly, I've been using Bybit for the past 2 years. I've never for once had any issue because I follow this process that I'm telling you, okay? Then when you come to this percentage, guys, make sure the person has at least 95%. At least 95%, okay? 92, 93, 94. Some person will tell you that at least 90%, but for me, I do at least it has to be 95%. Doing all those things will help you not to lose your funds or lose your USDT, okay? Then for this guy, I can trade with this guy and all that, okay? These are some of the things you should look at for. And also you must check under here to be sure that what is written here is bank transfer, okay? You can see here bank transfer. You can see all these ones are bank transfer, because we've done that when we choose this bank transfer up here, okay? Now, if you want to streamline your security measures again further, you should just go up here where it says filter here, okay? You see this filter here, you click on this filter here, okay? Then you're going to choose on this show only verified advertisers. Now, when you choose only these show verified advertisers, it means that the system is going to show you only buyers that Binance has themselves verified that this one are legit buyers. That is unique. So let me click on it. Let me show you something. If I click on it now and click on confirm here, you can see every persons that are here that are willing to buy my USDT. These are people that Binance themselves has verified that yes, these ones are good buyers. Okay, that is why you see all those check. You can see this badge here, you can see this badge here, you can see this badge here, you can see this badge here. Every person that are going to be here will have this badge. You can see they all have this badge. You can see this badge, you can see this badge, you can see this badge. These are verified buyers. Okay, this is if you really want to streamline your search criteria, okay, to be 100% sure that whoever you are selling to here is safe. Okay, now if I go up here and I remove this, let me click on it again. Okay, if I click on it and I uncheck it, let me uncheck it here and show you something. If I click on confirm, you can see some of these guys say they don't have that badge. You can see this particular guy doesn't have that badge. This one doesn't have that badge. You can see most of these guys don't have that badge. But that does not mean that they are all fake guys, okay? No. Like this particular guy here, you can see this guy is genuine. You can see he has 1,261 orders and he also has 97%. To further do our investigation, we're going to click on this. Let me click on this Summit TDS. Then you're going to scroll down, okay? You scroll down, then you're going to click on his name here, okay? You click on his name, Summit TDS. Then we're going to come up here and see, okay? You can see 97%, and you can see, you're going to check here. You can see he has gotten 477 thumbs up, okay? And you can also decide to check here. You can see in the last 30 days, he has performed 1,261 order. Overall, he has performed 11,488 orders. That is good. Then you can look at his reviews here. Just click here and see what people are saying about him. You can see people are saying it's reliable, it's fast response. You can see they are saying a whole lot of good things about him. So you can sell to this kind of a person. Okay. So let's quickly sell to him if he's still available. So let's click here. Then here, you're going to be able to choose the bank account that you want him to pay the money into. Okay. Now I'm going to be giving him this 45. I'm going to just put in 45. I'm going to sell this 45 USDT to him and he is going to credit the money directly into my bank account. Okay, so I have on my bank account here already. If I click on this button here, if I click on this button, you can see these are some of my bank accounts that I've put in here. So any bank account I choose here, that is the bank account is going to be sending my funds, my money to. Okay, then I'm going to release the crypto to him. But if you don't have any bank account here already, you just go ahead and click on this add payment method here. If I click on this add payment method here, you can see it here. So you're going to choose the bank that you want him to send the money to. You're going to put your bank account here. Okay, you're going to put your bank branch here. Okay, which you can just put any branch, just put any name there that you know you have your bank around. Then here you're going to put in your bank name. If it is UBA, if it is Access, if it is Zenith, you're going to put it here and you're going to click on confirm. Then that is the bank account that is going to pay the money into. I hope you got the scope now. Okay, now if you are getting value in this video, please remember to like this video and also subscribe if you've not done that before now. Okay, Then, so quickly here now, let me choose the bank account that I want him to pay the money into. Okay, and I'm going to click on confirm here. Okay, now after you click on confirm here, then the next thing you're going to do is just to click on sell. Okay, so after clicking on sell, so you can see I've placed a trade before him. Okay, so what he's going to do now is that he's going to credit my bank account. Okay, and I'm going to release the crypto to him. So here I'm going to click on contact buyer. Okay, so here I'm going to click on contact buyer and see his remark. It say get paid, kindly drop your phone number. So here you can decide to just put your phone number to him. In case the reason why some of them ask for this phone number is because some persons, as soon as you place trade, they place their trade and the person pays, they will forget. So some of them will ask you to just put your phone number. So quickly let me just put phone number here. Okay, you can decide to just put your phone number to them, but it's not really necessary whether you put your phone number or not. You can just chat them and all that. So what we are doing now is that we are waiting for him to pay into my bank account. So as soon as he pays into my bank account, you can see the amount here, right? You can see the amount that is going to pay here. 74,364 naira is the amount he is expected to pay me. Okay, because I'm selling one USDT to him for 1,652 and I'm selling 45 USDT. Hope you got it now. As soon as he makes the payment, we are going to confirm the payment in my bank account, then we'll be able to release the crypto to him. Okay, okay, so guys, the buyer has paid. Yeah, okay, he said he has paid, so I've not confirmed yet. I'm going to go to my bank account to confirm. So you can see it say pending coin release, right? Meaning they are waiting for me to release the coin to him. Now there's one other thing I want you guys to take note of. Okay, you must make sure that the bank account that the person is paying you from correspond with the name that the person, okay, bears here. Okay, you can see his name here, Samuel Ekene Nweke. Now you have to make sure that this thing is correct, because some persons have actually had issues, police case, like people saying somebody transferred money to him from a kidnapper's ransom and all that. So make sure the bank account the person is sending the money for you correspond with the name they bear here. Okay, even Bybit also has already given that warning that you must make sure that the name corresponds. So quickly, let me go to my bank account and confirm if he has sent this 74,300 to my bank account. Okay. Okay, so here in my OPay account, guys, you can see he has paid the money, right? You can see this is it, 74,364 naira, and the name also correspond with the name on Bybit. Okay, you can see the name, so you can see it actually corresponds. So I've received the payment. Okay, so you can see how simple and easy it is for you to sell your USDT and receive the money into your bank account. Okay, now please make sure you follow all these measures in protecting yourself and also protecting your crypto. Okay, so the next thing you're going to be doing after you must have received your fund in your account is to come down here, click on release now. Okay, because you have to release the crypto to the person after you must have received the fund in your bank account. So I'm going to click here, then I'm going to click here, right? You click these two stuff here. That's just to confirm that you received the crypto. Then you're going to click on release now. Okay, then you click on acknowledge. So here I'm going to put in my authenticator code to release the crypto to him finally. So quickly let me do that. Okay, so I've just done that now, and you can see the transaction is completed there. You can see completed. So he has paid me, and also I've released the crypto to him, so the deal is done, right? Okay guys, I'll see you in the next one. Remember, once again, like the video and subscribe to the channel if you've not done that. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.